In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Venmo as a payment option to your online form. Whether you're setting up a simple donation form or selling products through your website, providing your users with a seamless payment experience is key. Venmo, being a widely used platform, offers the convenience of easily transferring money, making it an ideal choice for many. So let's jump into the process and get everything set up. First, you'll want to open your form using your preferred form building tool. This is where you will integrate Venmo as a payment option. The interface might look different depending on the software you're using, but the overall steps remain quite similar across platforms. Familiarize yourself with your form's dashboard, and once you are comfortable, proceed by navigating to the Payments tab. You'll typically find this tab in the main menu or settings section of your form builder. This tab is your gateway to integrating various payment providers, so it's important to know your way around it. Once inside the Payments tab, look for the option to add a new payment method. Here, you'd be selecting Venmo as your desired payment provider. Selecting Venmo will link the form with the payment system that allows your users to pay with just a few clicks. By offering Venmo as an option, you're giving your form users the choice to pay directly from their Venmo accounts, which can be a more streamlined experience for those who already use the platform. Next, you need to log into your Venmo account to authorize this connection. You will likely be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is a crucial step where your Venmo account will be securely linked to your form platform. Don't worry, this process ensures that your transactions are managed safely and securely. Keep your Venmo login details handy, and remember to keep these credentials secure at all times to prevent unauthorized access. Now that your account is linked, it's time to save these settings and run a quick test to ensure everything functions as expected. Make sure to save the changes you've made in the payment settings. Most platforms will have a visible save button, so double check you haven't overlooked it. Once saved, creating a test transaction is a good idea to confirm that Venmo is correctly set up as a payment method on your form. Go through the payment flow as if you were a user, finding and selecting Venmo as the payment method, and ensure the process is smooth and without errors. And that's it. You've now successfully added Venmo as a payment option to your online form. This will afford your users more flexibility and could potentially increase your conversion rates by accommodating those who prefer to use Venmo's quick and efficient payment system. As always, if you encounter any issues, consult the support documentation for your particular form builder or reach out to their customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy form building!